Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And I just picked up these Viaterra Roost a couple of days back. I wanted to give you a quick impression of these gloves. I've been using them for about one or two rides now, very short ones, 20-30 kilometers. And I've primarily gotten these for riding in road within the city and of course off road as well. So the first impression is that the fit is really good. I mean, I have the Viaterra grid, I believe, and I had some issues with that. It wasn't that as comfortable as I thought it would be, but these are a lot better. I love the construction, love the fact that this is suede and you can really actually grip well here. Apart from that, the super fabric, it barely took me like half an hour to get used to because it kind of falls here, but it's fine. I don't know if you can see that it falls here, but it's fine. You get used to it eventually. And these have held up so far, but it remains to be seen how long these will hold up. So let's see. The knuckle protector is really soft. As you can see, it's almost bending if I slightly press it, so that way it's pretty nice. But I hope it's viscoelastic if I'm not mistaken, and it hardens up as it on impact. It's pretty easy to put it on and off. Yeah, there are no impressions on the hand. It has this pull tab. I hope you're able to see this. And the Velcro is holding up so far. This Velcro is one of the first things that gives up in any of these, in most of these gloves. Let's see how it sustains or remains for over a period of time. I love the design. Love the fact that there's fabric in between the fingers. It is pretty breathable, I would say. You don't get hot. The hands don't heat up. So yeah, pretty awesome gloves for the city and off-road, of course. I mean, these are primarily built for riding off-road, so yeah, they should hold up really well. Anything that I'm missing? Double layer here. Yep, that's it, guys. Hopefully I'll be able to give you a better, proper, long-term review as I use them after my first off-road ride. Let's see. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Ride safe.